Now, we're going to talk about functions. Functions are an essential concept in programming, allowing us to encapsulate reusable blocks of code. Now, before we dive into coding, let's understand the importance of functions in programming. Functions allow us to break our code into modular pieces, making it more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. They help us avoid code duplication and promote code reusability. Let's start by learning how to define a function in Python. In this code snippet, we define a function called greet using the def keyword. The function name greet can be chosen based on the context of your program. Essentially, you change this right here. Inside the function, we have a single line of code that prints the greeting message. Now that we have defined our function, let's learn how to call it. In this code snippet, we call the greet function by simply writing its name followed by parentheses. When the function is called, the code inside the function's block is executed, and the greeting message is printed. Functions can also accept arguments, allowing us to pass values into the function for processing. In this code snippet, we redefine the greet function to accept an argument name inside the parentheses here. Inside this function, we include the name parameter in the greeting message. When calling the function, we pass the value John as an argument. So here we run greet with the parameter John. The function then uses this value to personalize the greeting message. So when we enter John, the function uses name to say, "Hello, John, welcome to our channel." Functions can also return values, which can be useful for further processing or storing results. In this code snippet, we define a function called square that takes an argument x and returns the square of x. The return statement is used to specify the value to be returned from the function. When calling the function and assigning the return value to the variable result, we can then print the result to the console. And that concludes our tutorial on functions in Python. We covered function definition, function calling, passing arguments, and returning values. With this knowledge, you can effectively use functions to modularize your code, improve code organization, and promote code reusability.